So if you've been paying attention to the real estate news at all lately, you probably know that interest rates are on the rise.
The Federal Reserve is raising interest rates for the first time since 2018.
The fight against inflation, which is roaring right now. In the past hour, the Federal Reserve announced they'll hike the interest rates.
Yes, the Federal Reserve expects to raise rates between a range of 0.25 and 0.5. That's exactly in line with expectations.
So why should you care? Let me illustrate with a quick example how interest rates affect your monthly payment when you're getting a loan. So if you're buying a $500,000 house with 10% down at a 3% interest rate, your monthly payment is gonna be $1,897 a month. If you're buying that same house at a 5% interest rate, your monthly payment goes up to $2,415 a month. In that example, your monthly payment is going up $250 a month for every percentage point increase. That's a lot of freaking money per month. This is why in the last year, even though prices have gone up, buyers could actually afford that higher price point because interest rates were so low. In the last year, interest rates were often below 3%. At the time that I'm making this video, they're hovering around 4.9%. The people who are gonna feel this most are, unfortunately, first-time home buyers. It pushes them from maybe being able to make it work at a price point with a 3% rate to being just out of reach at a rate of 4 or 5%. Remember, we're talking about a difference of like $500 in their monthly payment. And I don't know about you, but $500 is not chump change to me. This could potentially affect sellers as well, because if less people can afford their homes, then we're not gonna be seeing these crazy bidding wars that we've been seeing in the last year. So think about it like this, it's basic supply and demand, right? Interest rates go up, there's not as many people who can afford the home, there's not as many crazy bidding wars, home prices aren't rising quite as quickly. So will rising interest rates help us return to a little bit more of a balanced market? I guess only time will tell, but I think yes.